Hey everyone, welcome back to the show here, the channel. I'm Stuart VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot, and today we are going out to do a short activation at our usual testing ground. What are we testing today? We'll find out after this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Again, Stuart VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot, and we're heading out in POTA. We're taking POTA on a test run tonight. We're going to Bonar Law Common in Rexton, New Brunswick, where we go to test all of our stuff. Today we are testing in the field this new antenna from Yaesu, the Yaesu FT891. We just got that. We got it hooked up here in the house yesterday, or here in the yard. Now we're taking it out to take it out in the field and show you guys if this thing actually works. So we're going to pack up the truck here, and then we're going to head to Bonar Law. I'm going to show you guys what we need to do to get this thing up and running from an FT891. Pretty simple, actually. But yeah, we're going to take this, take the truck out and get on this new mobile vertical antenna, self-tuning mobile vertical antenna out to the field and give it a bit of a test run tonight. Band conditions aren't that great, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure how well it worked, but we only got to get 10 contacts for POTA, and Bonar Law is not on Worldwide Flora and Fauna, so we don't have to worry about getting our 44 contacts there. Okay, let me find all my gear, and we'll get on our way to Bonar Law and do some testing on this new antenna from Yaesu. Sorry, I called it an ASUS. It's an ATIS 120A, the ATAS 120A. All we need is the radio and the power supply, because we're going to use the battery, plug it into the battery, and then plug it into the antenna. So we can travel real light tonight, and a computer for logging. The ATAS 120A, we're doing a field test on it tonight. All right, so we got our FT891, the preferred choice of POTA and WWF operators, into our 50 amp hour battery. And there is a couple settings you need to do to get this thing fired up. The most important one is actually plug in the power. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so there's a couple settings you have to do on here. I'm going to see if I can do it while I'm doing it on the camera here. Got to give it a long press on the function key and go into the menus. Go to 5. I hope you can read this okay. 5-12. Got to change the ATIS settings disable to enable, just like so. And then I'll go all the way up to 16. I think it's 16-12 as well. One of the last menu items, 16-14. Change. Oh, wrong one. Get back there. 16-14. Turn it on to ATAS, and that's it. So we got it on a frequency we want. All we have to do, I've set the tune button here as one of my fast select button. I gotta do that, and it goes and changes the antenna. So let me go change bands. Let me go put it on, say, 15 meters and watch the antenna here. I'm gonna see if I can do it easily. You should see the antenna move up and down here. See how it's moving? Okay, so it's going. It also does some you can also manually tune it, but that's it. Now it's tuned for 15 meters. And if we want to go back to 20. All we do is change the band back on our FT891 back up to 20 meters. Go back to the antenna, hit the tune button, and you can see the antenna is raising now to tune for 20 meters. And that's pretty much it. Now we're tuned, and if I go and change the meter to SWR, oh, Archie came in. Walks all over the radio. Let me find a clean frequency. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. VE9CF Charlie Foxtrot. You can see we have a SWR at 1.5, 1.6 to 1. And we can manually adjust that if we want to, but that's good enough for my work tonight. So I don't have the radio hardwired into the truck yet. I'm going to see tonight driving there how much noise we get with the engine running, because I'm probably not going to be operating it mobile. I'm probably just going to operate when I get to a park that I want to go do a quick row of like a 10 hits and go. That's the whole purpose for this. Or if I'm sitting somewhere and I want to get on the radio while I'm waiting for Missy in a mall for half an hour and get on and call CQ. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. The ATAS 120 Alpha I got it at DX Engineering from Yaesu. I think it cost me 500 and change Canadian. Again, I buy all my gear, so I'm not getting any sponsorship from Yaesu to do this video. I want to show you guys how much I like it. I actually tested it last night, and I got into Sugar 5-1 Delta X-Ray, which is a big gun in Slovenia, where my keys go. For some reason, I didn't unlock all the doors. There we go. Yeah, I talked to Sugar 5-1 Delta X-Ray in Slovenia yesterday, and another guy in Dallas on it. So when I was doing the initial setup. Hey, Archie, you gotta move. All right, let's get over to Bonar Law Common in Rexton, New Brunswick. And the nice thing about this, once we get there, we don't have to go outside. Just keep working. Okay, so we do have a little bit of engine noise there. I gotta change the squelch here because I had that set up from when I was doing some FT8. So we're sitting about an S4, S5 noise level right now with the truck running. And there's David GI0AQD. I'm going to see if I can get him while I'm driving. There's another nice loud one. Sounds European. Whoever that is, he's nice and loud. So we're going to see if we can get him on the mobile. Now, I don't have any way to log, so we'll see what we can do.
Most of your direction on the signal report is now 5-9, Roger.
Yeah, we got a little bit of engine noise. So I got to figure out a way to filter that out. All right, so we did manage to make a contact with Gunther, Delta Kilo 5, Oscar November Victor in the mobile. He was 5 and 2 by the time the transmission was done. He gave me a 4 and 1. Not bad for bad conditions. I am hearing Europe on here, so I think tonight might be a good DX night from home again. So we'll do our contacts, just test everything here at Bonar Law, which is a park I activated back in March. I did the test on the BB7V there. You got 300 plus contacts. I'm not going to say we're going to get close to that, but we'll get set up there, do a short activation, and then test this thing out and see if we need to make any improvements. We definitely got to figure out this engine noise thing, because I think just need to get some shielding or something like that to shield the engine noise from it. Okay, I'm going to hit the drawing board on that one. Okay, we're almost at Bonar Law, so we'll get fired up when we get there and make some contacts. Okay, so I got a 5 and 9 from him. And
David, 5 by 9 plus today. My name is Dami. Thank you.
Sugar 5-2, whiskey. All right, everyone, here we are at Bonar Law Common. We're going to just get the laptop set up and get our spots done, and then we'll see how well we do. We got 5-9 Sierra 5-2 whiskey, so I know this stuff works. All right, let's go get everything fired up. All right, folks, so welcome to Charlie Alpha 4460. Every time we come here, it's raining, but we're at Bonar Law Common here in Rexton, New Brunswick. We're going to test out this ATAS 120A, and let's see how well it works. It worked well in the driving, except for the engine noise, but let's see how well it works now that we're parked, the engine's off. Archie's too busy stiffing around over there. So let's, I'm going to share with you some of the technical specs of this antenna. Okay, so according to the DX Engineering website, this antenna here, right there, will work on 7 megs right through to 70 centimeters. So 40 meters to 70 centimeters. It says nothing about the work band. So the documentation just clearly mentions, 40, 20, 15, 10. I'm not sure if it said 6. I got to double check 6, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. So it won't work on the work bands. Well, maybe we'll try that one day. And it handles up 125 watts. So whatever mobile rig can throw at it, it should work fine. All right, we're going to get on the air here. Come on, Archie, let's go. Charlie Alpha 4460. Archie, where'd you go? Archie, where are you? Come on, let's go. In the truck. Come on. In the truck. Come on, get up. There you go. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot is the frequency in use. CQ Parks on the air. 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 Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot calling. CQ Parks on the air. Alpha 0 Echo Lima 5 and 5. 5 and 5 over. Thanks for the 3 and 3 into Colorado. 7-3, my friend. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ Parks on the air.
Kilo Bravo 9, Lima Queen Alpha.
Kilo Bravo 9, Lima Queen Alpha, 5 and 9.
59, 59, Wisconsin.
Thank you very much. I'm pretty stoked about this new antenna. It seems to be working even in the bad band conditions.
Yeah, QSL conditions aren't the greatest, but yeah, you're coming through just fine. No problem.
Roger. Yeah, we got the ATAS 120A from Yaesu on the truck. Just doing the first inaugural test.
Copy that. Well, I'd say it's definitely working well for you, and good luck with the activation there.
Yeah, 7-3. Yeah, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Parks on the air. This is November 4, Tango Romeo Delta. November 4, Tango Romeo Delta. QRZ.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, park the park.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Hey, Stuart, how you doing? You are 585858 into US 4483, Indiana. Standing by for your post, please.
Yeah, Roger, Max. I was doing great until you moved in a KC away from me, but probably didn't hear me. You're a 5 and 9 into Charlie Alpha 4460.
Roger, Charlie Alpha 4460. Thanks for the 5-9. Great video on the fauna flora. I signed up for it, so I'm waiting for my registration to be approved, and then I'm gonna give that a shot. Anyway, keep the videos coming, Stuart. I appreciate it. Good luck on your activation.
Yeah, Roger, Max. Yeah, we're testing out a brand new antenna, so we're doing a video right now, and I got you on the recording. We're testing the new ATAS 120A from Yaesu on our pickup truck, so we'll have the video out soon on that one.
Roger, all right. I can't wait to see your videos. Love them. Keep them coming. Have a great night. 7-3.
7-3, Max. See ya.
CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air.
He moved away at KC. Max, you moved away at KC for me.
November 4 Tango Romeo Delta QRZ. India Tango 9 and then to have your call.
The India Tango 9 again, please. Italy Tango 9, Yankee Radio Echo 5 and 9, my friend. 7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Germany 5, Lima Sierra, India.
Germany 5, Lima Sierra, India 5 and 9.
Roger, 5 and 7, 57. Thank you for the park.
73, the Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
United Tango 5, Papa Italy. United Tango 5, Papa Italy. United Tango 5, Papa Italy.
United Tango 5, Papa Italy. Good evening, Val. 5 and 5, 5 and 5, over.
United Tango 5, Papa Italy. Also 5 and 5, 5 and 5. Thank you, John. 7-3. What's up?
7-3 and 44, my friend. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Oh my God, we're getting into Ukraine. So it's a good little antenna, I'll say. Well worth the $500 the cost. You know, good things. Sometimes the really good stuff you have to pay a little more for, I think. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Mike India 6, Norway, Charlie Golf, over. Mexico.
Mike India 6, Norway, Charlie Golf, 5 and 9.
Altogether, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Fox. You're 5 and 8, 5 and 8, over.
Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 8, my friend. 7-3s.
7-3.
Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Sugar Papa 7, Sierra Queen, Mexico, 5 and 7.
Thank you very much. That'll be 5 and 8 to 5 and 9. 5 and 8 to 5 and 9. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. 7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, CQ, Parks on the air.
Ocean Echo 1, Delta X-ray uniform.
Ocean Echo 1, Delta X-ray uniform. Good evening, Alex, 5 and 7, over.
Very good evening, Stuart. You're actually 5 and 8, 58 on the baby magnetic looping to be in Austria. QSOs, Stuart.
Yeah, Roger. I'm testing a brand new antenna today, Alex. I'm using the same radio, but I have the ATAS 120A mobile HF rig from Yaesu strapped onto the truck, and this is the first time I'm using it, over.
Yeah, Roger. I have one brand new in the box, never used it, but it's absolutely working great for you, Stuart, QSO.
Yeah, Roger. Well, you should take it out of the box because it's a really good antenna.
Yeah, I need to take it out of the park. I only done one activation so far, and anyway, all the best, Stuart. Have a good weekend. Have a great weekend, and yeah, it's 24 minutes past midnight, and I'm still awake. Catch you later. Thank you very much, Stuart.
Yeah, 7-3, Alex, and yeah, this antenna's great for those short activations, or those ones where you can't put up any big antennas. 7-3, my friend. See you later.
Yeah, Roger. Do you have the radio kit as well?
I do not. No, I do not have the radio kit.
Roger. No problem. Catch you later. 73, Stuart. Thank you.
7-3, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Okay, so we got Victor Echo 5, Victor Kilo on 17 meters Even though the documentation doesn't say 50 meters, it tuned up on 17 meters. 17 meter, tuned up on 17 meters. So I got Victor Echo 5, Victor Kilo in Saskatoon. Not very strong because he's got high noise, but he still got me. I'm really happy with this antenna. We got 55 contacts tonight in just over an hour of working. That's not bad. I'll take that. Hey, we're going to pack up and, well, not pack up. Basically, turn the radio and close the laptop lid and roll the windows and head back to St. Antoine. So, yeah, 55 contacts off this ATAS 120A. Good little mobile antenna. So, I'll have to work it now when the bands are better, because that would be really, really good to hear when the bands are better. Not bad when the bands are not great. So, should be even better. All right, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot from Bonar Law here in Rexton, New Brunswick. 7-3, everyone. And we'll check you out in the next video, whenever that'll be. See you later.